Hi, this is Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. And if you're new to my channel, hi. Anyway, we went to Sam's today. We needed some stuff, so we went to Sam's. We got to divvy it up. I have Renee here.
Howdy, y'all.
She's going to help me divvy everything up, but I'm going to show y'all what I got because they actually had a sale on their meats. Because today's what, February 1st?
No.
Today's the 31st?
No.
The 30th?
Yes.
And these meats are good on the shelf until the 30th, and we're going to put them in the freezer, so they'll be good for a while. I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we got. Okay, we got some ranch dressing because we're almost out. We got some Sara Lee restaurant-style sesame seed buns. We got some cafe-style tortillas, but as you see, they're all scrushed up.
They still eat the same.
Yeah. We got 2 steaks for $26.68. I saved $9. I got these Angus beef things because we're going to make Philly steaks one night. Or Philly buns, actually. I saved $3.67 on these. Now, the chicken they're tenderloins, so it's got quite a bit of meat in each one. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 in each, and it's $16.35. I saved $5.38. See the date on it? 1/31/25. Got 2 of those. Then I got some hamburger patties because we're going to do hamburgers one night. We might even do them tonight. Yeah. And this is, I saved $2.57 on those, and there's 8, so we'll put 4 of these back. Yeah, we'll put 4 of them back. Then Mr. Bob likes the mozzarella cheese sticks. He got some lightly breaded buffalo-style chicken strips. We got some butter. We got chicken wings. Now, the Tyson buffalo wings and the chicken wings were $8.98. No, $10.98, and these were $11.98. Then we got some mozzarella 5-pound cheese. That was $6 something. We got some Jack's original thin pizzas. Now, Mr. Bob likes these for like when he's home and then he wants a quick lunch. We got these. There's a 4-pack, and they come out to like $2.74. It's like $9 something for those. Oh. We got some sharp cheddar cheese, and that was $4 something.
Don't look at me.
We got some Lunchables, which he takes to work, or he'll sit and he'll be snacking. And these were $6 something. We got some Bar S Franks for $8.98. And I do believe that's my haul.
I didn't hear you touch this one.
Oh, my hamburger meat. Okay, it's $4.58 a pound, and I got it for $40.38. But this will divide up into 1 pound, and that's 10. So it comes out about right. Tape that whole thing.
Don't tell me.
Thank you for watching. I hope this helps some because you can get discounted meats at Sam's. I was shocked. I went in there at the right time, so now I know when the next time. We haven't gone to Sam's in, 4 months? October, November, December, 4 months. And our meats are running out. Renee has replenished it some. And we just had to stock up on butter again and meats and Mr. Bob's snack stuff.
And his pizzas.
Yeah, snack stuff. Anyway, so y'all have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.